Hi everyone, I am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 1 Simulation Training Hands-on Exercise 2. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. If you need complete solution of this training, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me. I can do all my laboratory courses like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access and Microsoft Word. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email, and we will deal for this complete my laboratory course. I will do your everything like our simulation training, our simulation exam, cumulative assessment, capstone assessment, and final exam with A plus grade. So we will go to my lab at Pearson, go to Excel chapter 1 simulation training hands-on exercise 2, click on this training and this training will be open. And reach me out for your other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, macroeconomics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, math courses, calculus courses, history courses and many more online courses. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen, and we will deal for complete course. So we will open our training. Click on launch button. Okay. Excel chapter 1 simulation training hands-on exercise 2 will be launched right now. Now I'm going to do my training step by step. Please follow my video and you can download your training by watching this video. Question number 1 is that enter the first markup amount formula is equal to C5 multiplying by D5 in cell E5 and click the enter check mark. Simply we will click on cell E5. Press is equal to in cell E5. Formula is given in the questions. First markup amount formula C5. Cost multiplying by markup rate D5. Press enter. So double click the cell E5. Fill handle to copy the markup amount formula through cell E10. Okay. Through cell E10. Use semi-selection to enter the first radial price. Formula is equal to C5 plus E5 in cell F5 and click enter check mark. Simply we will click on cell F5, press is equal to, formula is given in the question, semi-selection to enter the first radial price formula C5 markup amount plus E5. Okay, press enter. So double click the cell F5, fill handle to copy the radial price formula through cell F10. Okay, question number 1 is completed. So moving on question number 2. Okay, my connection is already right now. It's loading. Enter the first sale price formula is equal to F5 multiplying by into 1 minus G5 in cell H5 and click the enter check mark. Simply we will click on cell H5 and we will enter the first sale price formula. Click on cell H5, press is equal to, formula is given in the question, F5 multiplying by into 1 minus G5. Okay, radial price multiplying by into 1 minus percentage odd G5. So we will press enter. So double click the cell H5, fill handle to copy the sale price formula through cell H10. So enter the first profit margin formula is equal to H5 minus C5 divided by H5 in cell I5 and then press Ctrl plus enter. So we will click on cell I5 and we will enter the first profit margin formula. Price is equal to into H5 sale price minus C5 cost divided by sale price. Then press Ctrl press enter. So double click the cell I5. Fill handle to copy the profit margin formula through cell I10. Okay, question is completed. I just show you two questions in my video. Now I am going to submit this training. I have done this complete training, but I did not show complete training in my video. I have done this complete training for my student. I will submit this training and I will show my grade which I have got in this training. So please click OK to submit the training. Click on OK button. Okay, I will show my grade here. I have got Excel chapter 1 simulation training hands-on exercise 2. I have got 3 points out of 3, 100% grade. If you need help in this training and if you want to complete solution of this training, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me and we will deal for this complete my lab IT course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all cumulative assessment, capstone assessment, all graded project and final exam with A plus grade. I am also handling other student courses with A plus grade. I will do your course with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will handle each and everything myself. So I am also handling other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, macroeconomics, Java, C++, history course, writing medical, and math courses calculus and pre-calculus. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.